Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm driving one of our premier offerings. Right now, I am driving a 1933 Packard 12 convertible sedan. This would have been one of the finest automobiles you could have purchased in the midst of the Depression, which seems funny, but there was still opulence and there was still grandeur in American cars at the time, and this is one of the finest examples. This example is actually believed to be one of only 4 of this body type, and it has been exquisitely maintained. Years of noted CCCA member ownership and over $340,000 of restoration receipts. That shows you how incredible this car is, and the fact that I'm driving it right now should show you a lot. This car is also owned by noted Packard expert Ed Miller, so if you're in the Packard world, you know that this car was very cared for. This car is so smooth, it honestly, when you're at a stop, it sounds like it's not even running. This would have been peak luxury at the time, and heck, it's exquisite right now. And of course, to see this car and all the other premium offerings we have, you're gonna wanna be here for our 55th annual Auburn auction right here in Auburn, Indiana. We're gonna have over 300 classic cars, muscle cars, exotic cars, everything, all under one roof right here in our Auburn facility. Of course, if you can't be here, you can always bid on the phone, bid online, but trust me, to see beautiful classics like this, you're gonna wanna be here in Auburn, Indiana this Labor Day weekend.